So gray, so unlike yesterday. Now's the time for us to say Happy New Year.